Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage sound options with keyboard shortcuts on Microsoft Surface 5. And to do this, we'll need to take a look on our keyboard. You can find three buttons that you can manage your sound with, and that's F2, F3 and F4. With F2 you can mute entire sound on your laptop. With F3 you can decrease the sound, and with F4 you can increase the volume. There's also F5, but that is for any multimedia playback. You can press on it to play or pause any multimedia playback. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.